My name is Stella Malisa Spanda. She's Michaela Spanda. She's my daughter. She's 9 years old. We are from Zimbabwe. She had ASD and PDA. We discovered it in 2017. So in Zimbabwe they said they don't have the machines to operate there, so we had to come here. In 2018, when I was admitted at Mbilo Hospital, I met a lady there who was in the group Brave Little Hearts. So the lady connected me to Tendai Moyo, who is the coordinator there. So I joined Brave Little Hearts, and then I was assisted to fill in the forms and ask for the funds from social welfare. Yes, we got quotations from different hospitals here in India. Okay, the treatment was good. The doctors were good. They explained all the possible advantages and the disadvantages for the procedure, and they treated us very well, and we managed it. We were told that she's going to do an open heart surgery. So when the doctors examined her hair, they said it's possible for a catheter, so they did the procedure. So she's fine now. Yes, I was assisted by Liju and Nilesh to find apartment, for the transports, even for the food. You know, we're not used to Indian food, but at least we were managing. So we were able to cook sadza here and whatever we wanted. So even the apartment, the rooms, they were good also. The good experience is when you go for checkups in our country there, it takes time for you to get an echo, to get an ECG, to get what they call it, the other checkup. So here it was done faster in one room, and the results were produced there and there. So it was good, yes. Everything was faster. I got the results even for, I think we did about 4 tests. So all the results I had, I was given there and there. Yeah, I would definitely recommend them to come here, because the treatment is good. The doctors, they cooperate. Even when you say this, I'm not able to adjust on this, they're able to assist you in any way. Yes, and even the medication, we got them. When we were admitted, there was no rushing around looking for the medicine. So Kela is doing well now. We were happy also